Hello everyone. So in today's video, we'll complete the fourth challenge of screen flow distribution, which is display a flow on every page in your Salesforce org. So just click on it. After clicking, we'll come here. Here we'll scroll down, and the correct answer for the first question is B, and the correct answer for the second question is D. Then we'll click here to check challenge. Guys, I never say this by interrupting you guys in between. I only say this when something is loading or at the end. That too, when the loading ends, I stop there and directly come to topic, because I know your efforts to complete this kind of challenges. So please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any kind of error, you can comment in the comment section. I'll be following you up as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.